In this video, I will show you how to sum values greater than the specified number in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some order details containing order number and total amount. Now I want to sum all the order amounts where the order total is greater than $50. To do that, I will use the Excel SUMIF function. The SUMIF function returns the sum of the values in a range that meets the specified condition. This function accepts three arguments: a range, a criteria, and an optional sum range. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type SUMIF followed by an opening bracket. Select the cells containing the amount as the first argument. Since we want to sum all the orders greater than $50, I will type the greater than sign followed by the number 50 in the double quotes as the condition or criteria argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the sum of the cells greater than the specified number. We can also use the SUMIFS function instead of the SUMIF function to calculate the sum. The SUMIFS function returns the sum of the values in a range that meets multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria using this function. Please note that the order of the arguments of the SUMIFS function is different from the SUMIF function. To get the sum of cells greater than a number, I will select the range of the cells containing the amount as the first sum range argument. Since we want to apply the condition on the same amount cells, I will select the same amount cell range as the second criteria argument. Finally, I will type the criteria greater than 50 in the double quotes as the third argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the sum of the cells greater than the specified number. We can also use the SUMPRODUCT function instead of SUMIF and SUMIFS function to achieve the same results. Here is the formula to do that. This part of the formula checks if the amount cells are greater than 50 and returns an array of 5 elements containing true and false values as a result of the comparison. A true value is returned if the amount is greater than 50, false otherwise. The multiplication math operation automatically converts these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. These 1 and 0 values are multiplied with the respective amount cells. The amount cells greater than 50 are multiplied by 1 and the other amount cells are multiplied by 0, thus filtered out. The result of the multiplication is an array containing amounts that are greater than 50. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums up the array elements and the result is 190. As you can see, we now have the sum of the cells greater than the number 50. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.